All right, carbon mirror covers, Redline design. Same as my spoiler that I did a video on about a month ago. From EVBase, you can save with my code TheFitIT saves you 20% on evbase.com. This just looks absolutely amazing. I love the little red trim. It's gonna match the spoiler perfectly. I have the ultra red Model Y Juniper, and we can see here the red is beautiful, but with this over it, it's just gonna look that much better. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Now, why would you wanna do this? Well, for one, people usually do paint protection film on the front of their car. That includes the mirrors usually as well. Paint protection film is very expensive, especially if you have somebody do it for you. If you like carbon fiber like I do, EVBase has a matte carbon and the gloss carbon, and they have the Redline carbon, such as I have here. They have 3 different options, so I'm gonna link those all down below. But with this, you'll protect your mirror, you'll protect the paint, and you get a cool looking mirror. So it'll look just like the Model Y Performance that just came out. Those have black mirrors, but we're gonna enhance it with carbon fiber mirrors. Carbon fiber is beautiful, very lightweight. This doesn't weigh anything, and it's gonna protect the mirrors like I said. Unfortunately for us in the US, the Performance model has not been released yet in the US, and it doesn't look like it's gonna be released before the tax credit ends on September 30th. Speaking of that, you can get 3 free months of full self-driving if you order a Tesla with my referral code down below. I'll have it on the screen and in the description. It'll get you 3 free months of full self-driving, which is about a $315 offer after tax and all. If you're thinking about getting a Tesla, use my referral code. I really appreciate it. So yeah, it doesn't look like the Model Y Performance is coming. A lot of us that wanted the Performance ended up buying just the Model Y Juniper rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. I have the rear-wheel drive here. And we didn't want to miss out on the tax credit. So whether you qualify or not, if you lease, the tax incentive is applied, whether you qualify for the tax credit or not. If you qualify for the tax credit and you finance, you get the $7,500 off. So who knows when the Model Y Performance will come to the US. So if you want to make your car look more performance, we have the carbon fiber performance spoiler that looks just like the Model Y Performance spoiler. Again, I'll link this too. EVBase has the gloss carbon, the matte carbon, and then the Redline carbon like I have here. So I'm going with the matching set, Redline mirror, Redline spoiler. You can get just the gloss carbon mirror, gloss carbon spoiler, or the matte carbon mirror and matte carbon spoiler. Whatever your preference is, whatever, you know. And don't think the Redline is only for the red. I've seen people with pretty much every single color put on the Redline spoiler from my video on the Redline spoiler. I know so many people commented that they ordered it. I've seen so many pictures of people posting them in the different Tesla groups on Facebook, and the Redline spoiler is beautiful. It's such a nice little accent. So I know the Redline mirror is gonna look good too. So this is such a super easy install. We just have some tape on the back here that's already pre-applied from EVBase, which is amazing. All we have to do is peel off this tape, stick it on, and we're gonna clean off the mirror with the included alcohol pad and adhesion promoter, and let's get started. So here we are at the mirror. They gave us an adhesion promoter, and they gave us a spare roll of tape in case you ever want to take this off and put it onto another car in the future. So the spare roll of tape is great. So we're going to take this adhesion promoter, which is just a souped up alcohol pad. We're going to wipe off all this dirt here. All this bug guts are coming right off. This is just going to help the mirror cap stick on better. And again, this is why it's so important for something like a mirror cap or PPF to protect your mirrors. You don't want the paint rubbing off of this. You don't want the paint chipping off of this over time. It's very easy for it to happen. Looks like I already have a couple pieces of chipped paint here that are just not cleaning off, so that looks like chipped paint to me. So again, I've only had the car for 2 months. So I'm very happy that I'm doing this now and not later down the road. So now that we did that, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off all of this tape, and basically the mirror cap will just slide right on top and clip around. So you can see here, it actually has these edges, so it clips around the mirror, so there's no way for it to fall off. All right, just pulling off this tape. It's a nice clear tape, very strong. Like I said, I had the EVBase carbon fiber mirror caps on my previous Model Y, my 2020. I have a video of that as well, so you can see what the gloss caps look like. And those were actually in the Juniper style mirror design. Okay, so I just took all the tape off. Now we're gonna go ahead and stick this onto the mirror. As I said, we're just gonna slide it. So we'll slide it over and try not to get it to actually touch the surface of the mirror. Slide it all the way down, boom, and you'll hear it clip just like that. And I'm just gonna hold it down for about 30 seconds here. Really get the adhesion to promote from the tape here. And now that 30 seconds has passed, we can see just how premium this looks, how amazing this looks. Again, this car is looking more and more like the Model Y Performance every day. And I'm just gonna unlock the car here so you can see what happens with the mirror. And you can see no issues at all. It opened, it closes, open back up again. There's no noises, nothing. It all clicks right in and is a perfect fit. This was actually an even better fit than the previous carbon fiber mirror caps I had on my last Model Y. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and we'll take a look at the car and see how it all looks. Okay, same thing here, just using the adhesion promoter, really clearing out any dirt that's on the mirror so that the mirror caps can stick on perfectly. And we can really see just how much dirt and scratches get on these mirrors from road debris. Go ahead and get the inside here too. I see another rock chip here now. Yeah, not even 2 months. I have a rock chip on the hood, rock chip on each mirror. So protect your paint. All right, same thing. I'm gonna take the tape off of the back of the carbon fiber mirror cap here. All right, took the tape all off. Let's go ahead and slide this one right on as well. Very easy to slide right on and it fits so perfectly. So let's go ahead and do this. And boom, just like that. It is on there, no paint is showing, and I'm just gonna hold it down for 30 seconds again. Really make sure it's gonna have the premium stick. All right, gave it about 30 seconds. I'm just gonna go ahead and unlock the mirror now. We can see perfect fit, it looks amazing. Go ahead and close it, just like that. Let's take a closer look at the mirrors and at the car with all angles so we can see exactly how amazing this looks. All right, so there we go. The install is all done. We can see just how good these mirrors look. Look at that, that's amazing. Let's get the positioning right. Yeah, a little bit. That was what, not even a 5-minute install. As soon as you get the tape off and clean off the mirrors, you just stick it right on, hold it for 30 seconds. So there you go. EVBase, evbase.com, 20% off with my code, TheFitITGuy, and the code is good for the whole website. You can purchase anything on the site. Check out the other items I installed from EVBase. I've done some other videos. Wheel covers, carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber door handle covers. There's so much on their website for you to check out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really customizing the car now, getting deeper into it. So I hope you guys enjoy how the car looks versus when I first got it. But like I said, the car looks, there's so much that can be done to Teslas. They're very moddable cars. You wouldn't know it. You wouldn't think it at first until you take a look at a website like EVBase and see all the amazing accessories they have for the car. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. I'm uploading videos every other day for as long as I can. Since I've gotten the Juniper on July 12th, I am uploading videos every other day. Let's see if we can keep it up until October. So thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and see you in the next video.